How to autofill dates in Excel. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up Excel and open up a document. Once we've done that, we can type a starting date. For example, something like this. So go ahead and type it in. And once you have typed it in, what we can do is we can click on the cell and drag the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right. You can click downward and fill it out this way. And Excel will automatically continue the dates. Apart from that, another method we can do is we can enter two dates. So go ahead and enter it up. For example, 1/1/ this one right here. And apart from that, another one is, for example, this one right here, and hit enter. Then I can select both of the cells and I can drag the fill handle, and Excel will follow the pattern, add 2 days each time. And we can also use the field cities. So enter the first date first and go to the home tab and go to the option called fill. After that, go ahead and look out for cities option. And once we've done that, we can choose the option of date here in step value. So here we have 1 day. So type in 1 and click on OK and go ahead and confirm it up, and that should do it. And that's it. Make sure cells are formatted as date. You can use custom formats, great for attendance, sheets, schedules, and planners. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.